Hi, I'm Wang here at Reinvent. We got 60,000 people here. I'm with Caroline. She's the cloud and data leader at IBM for North America. But more importantly, we're going to be talking about how this partnership works with AWS and more importantly, new opportunities. I mean, we are in an agentic world. We're in a world that's built on data. All these things have to come together. And of course, it works in the cloud and in a hybrid model. What does that mean for a partnership with you guys?
So AWS is one of our most important and most strategic partners, one of our longest standing partners who we have innovated with for the longest time. We have over 20,000 IBMers certified in AWS, but more importantly, and I think more excitingly, we have really big targets in terms of growing our AI and cloud certifications next year. And what that means for us is that we just get to serve our clients in terms of helping them transform their processes with AWS.
And you're right, it's all turning into an agentic AI game, and it's about business process. And once you get the business process and an outcome on the other end, it's important. What are some of the big challenges you're seeing?
So I think you said business process, and I would say I think the biggest challenge is thinking about workflows, not processes.
Oh, even better.
Today is not about inserting AI into a process and tweaking it, but really thinking about how do you transform an end-to-end workflow and really rethink how work is done. And I think for me, the opportunity with agentic forces people to think about what are they doing in their ERP, what are they doing in their CRM, and how does their cloud partner help orchestrate the data across those things? And that's really thinking about a workflow, not a process within one tool.
And it's a great point, right? It's about when and where you insert a human, because you're going to assume the automation occurs and the human comes in. So when I say the word AI, agentic AI empowers leaders to finally, what do you put on the back end?
I think across departments in a way that they've never been able to. And I think so long in the business apps world, it was about that app, not about the end-to-end process. So it's really thinking about cross-department collaboration in terms of simplifying the way they work.
So break through the functional fiefdoms, start thinking about workflows that cut across different groups, and even outside your organization as well.
Totally.
Okay. And when we think about the big framework mind shift that you come out of here, what do you tell leaders?
I think this moment right now is about two things. One, we're going from experimentation to doing it and how fast can I do it? But the second thing and the real get right is about the data. And are people investing in their data in the right way? Because really the results of AI will be how much you've invested in the structure around your data. So I think right now this moment is about data.
Now, if you could delegate a complex decision to an agent today, what would it be other than travel?
Oh, all right. Other than travel, I would say pricing approvals.
Oh my God, pricing approvals, workflows, that whole thing.
And
so
really
complex.
Any approval, travel approvals, pricing approvals, vacation approvals, many of those things are rules-based anyway.
Approvals begun.
Yeah,
we're going to agentic AI.
Approvals begun.
I'm in there. Okay, so what's the hardest point, and what do you have to do to make sure you scale multi-agentic AI? It's a little bit more complicated.
Well, I think the first thing is, are we defining the right problem? And I think a lot of it, the second piece is, how do you get people to collaborate together? The technology works, and so we're no longer at a point of having to prove the technology. And so it comes back to things that we've talked about for a long time:
Yep.
Lean process design, change management, culture change, getting people to align on decision making. But I think that really starts with, what problem are we trying to solve? And my advice to leaders is, don't try to solve a small problem. Look at your step change problems and really align around those.
You know, I'm smiling because just a few minutes ago I was with someone that wanted to buy AI. That's all they wanted to do. They wanted to buy AI.
Right.
And I'm like, how do you buy AI?
Right.
And the problem is they hadn't broken down the workflows. They hadn't figured out the business outcomes. I think that's important. I'm here with Caroline. We are live here at Reinvent. Of course, sharing some of your insights, and more importantly, talking about where cloud, AI, and data all come together. Thank you.
Love it. Thank you so much.